You're new, you want to try to make images using the Midjourney AI. I'll go through that in this very short video. My name is Palle and this is Siggy AI. I'll show you how I created these 4 images. I'll show you how to make them better. So in general, I'll show you quickly how to set up Midjourney, how to use the imagine prompt, how to use the variation prompt, and then I'll show you how to upscale. Remember to subscribe for other more advanced videos than that, because that is the basics. So we go to the Midjourney website, midjourney.com. So there you need to go. Then in the bottom right corner, it has a box where it says join the beta. So then you click that. That will take you to Discord thing that you need to sign into and create a user. Then when you're signed in there, you will be met by something that looks like this. To the left of your screen, there will be a boat. It's the Midjourney boat, and you will take the boat to the group, click that, and then join the channel called like newbies. So here I have newbies 115, newbies 145. Then we are ready to create our first art. So we need to go down below. There's like send a message to the Midjourney bot. So there we have different options. So we have an option to imagine something, we can ask something, we can blend, we can describe, we can go to fast mode, we can help, and there are more options than these. But what we'll focus on here is the imagine. So imagine is like I imagine something, and the more specific I'm imagining something, the more detailed and the more clear the result will be. So here I'll just imagine a Pikachu, so because Pikachu is pretty cool. So using the imagine command, it gave me 4 different kind of Pikachu. The thing is that I can repeat the command, especially when I'm not specific, like I wasn't here. Then it will give me 4 new Pikachus, and I can keep repeating the command, and then every time I do it, it will give me 4 new images. So let's look at what we can do with the images. So this is a pretty simple command, like show me a Pikachu. I can give it very high detailed commands too. So prompt. So prompt is a thing that you will see a lot. So prompt is what we ask, and then you shall receive what you ask, right? So the thing is, the prompt is the question we ask. So a lot of people are asking like, can I have your prompt? Can I have your prompt? So can I have your prompt? So if you use the prompt I have here, you will get this result. So this prompt creates images like these. So if we take a look at these images, so they look pretty cool, right? So inside Midjourney, you would all of a sudden have these letters below. So there's like U and V. So the first column is locked to the first image. The second column is locked to the second image. The third column is the third image, and the fourth column is the fourth image. So the U means upscale. So that means we will make the image bigger. The V is if we like that image but want to create different variations of this image. So what I did here is that I didn't really like the top left one, but I liked the other 3. So I upscaled the other 3, and then I clicked the V1 to create variations of all 4. Then when we do that, then the Midjourney will post something like this. So it will start processing these images, and then what we get is that we get variations. So here you see I got 4 variations of one of them. So we see like there are small subtle differences in the pattern. The same with the second one. There's like, so the pattern is not the same. So we get like different ones, and we can look at like, so how is the hand? So like if you look at the top right corner here, it only has like 2 fingers, and like in general the fingers are kind of weird in these images. So if you look at this one again, look like yeah, he has 5 fingers, but maybe I wanted to like create some variations, so maybe I could get the hand fixed, or I could add a command that I wanted like 5 fingers. Same when we look at this one, right? So you can see that he only has 4 fingers in one of the images. So that's something to be aware about, like which one do we like, right? But it creates these variations, and then we can see like when it's zoomed up, the upscaled version, right? That's something with the 2 pens in his hand, if you notice that. And then we have the last one where we have the 4 images. Then it's kind of cool that he's using 2 pens at one time, but his hands are a little bit weird. So we need to be aware of that, and then pick like an image or create variations until we get one that's fixed. So that was a short introduction to how to use the upscale, how to imagine, how to create variations, and some of the things we need to be aware about. And then if we want the hand to be correct, then maybe we should try keeping variation, or we could add something to the prompt, but that's in another video. So remember to subscribe to our channel. I'm not affiliated with Midjourney, but I'll just talk about like the pricing there. So the pricing is that they have a basic plan, $10, standard plan, $30, pro plan, $60. And then they have a free trial. The thing with the free trial is that I've tried it and it wouldn't let me create anything. So that one wasn't working for me. But you can go try it. But else they have the basic plan, standard plan, pro plan. So the major difference between the three ones is that if you have the basic plan, you will have 3.3 hours where it can like create images. So depending on how much detail you want, then it uses more GPU time, which is like how processing time of a graphics card. So I burned through, when I signed up, the 3.3 hours in around 4 days. So then you have the standard plan. So the standard plan has 15 hours, but when the 15 hours are up, you get unlimited relax time. So that means like very slow creation of the images is still possible after that. So that's like a pretty good option. So the thing here is that when you have the standard plan, you only can create 3 concurrent jobs and have 10 jobs in the queue. So pro plan, it gives you more fast hours. And in my case, I think that's the coolest one for me, because I'm super impatient. So I signed up for that one because it can do the 12 concurrent fast jobs and 3 relaxed jobs, and then it can have 10 jobs waiting in the queue. So those are like the different things. And sometimes with images you stick with it, sometimes you just play with it for 1 month, then it's more fun, and things come, and then we can always like change it. So there are like the annual subscription where you can save money, but who knows where the world is in 1 year. Then there's an option to earn free hours. So if you go and rate images, then 2,000 people will get 1 free hour here, but I thought there was like 1.6 million people online, so probably easier to go down at McDonald's and earn like work there for 2 hours and earn the money and then pay for the subscription. If you like AI, if you like Midjourney, give the video a like, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. There's a video about more advanced Midjourney prompts that's going to come up here. If you want, you can go to our website, siggy.ai, not DK, and sign up for our free webinar. It's 90 minutes, doesn't cost anything else. I just hope you will have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.